dear learners, welcome to the Fluency Hub. In this video, we are going to have another session of English learning. First part will be based on daily conversation and second part will be on vocab sessions. Make sure to watch the video till the end to understand the words used in the conversation. Let's begin.
Good morning, Barsha. You look unusually cheerful today. May I know what's the secret?
Oh, yes, Nabila, I just finally completed a project I would been struggling with for weeks. It feels like a huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders.
That's fantastic, Barsha. Was it the one you mentioned during our last coffee break?
Exactly, Nabila. I had to burn the midnight oil a few days, but in the end, the efforts finally paid off.
Well, I admire your persistence. Honestly, I tend to lose motivation halfway through the long tasks.
I know what you mean, Nabila. I just almost gave up. But breaking it down into smaller goals, that really helped a lot.
That's a smart strategy. So, how are you planning to celebrate this achievement?
Well, I'm thinking of treating myself to a nice dinner tonight. Would you please join me today? It would be really fun.
Absolutely. I wouldn't miss it.
Let's proceed to the part 2, the vocabulary sessions. Now let's look at some good amount of phrases that we have used in the conversation. The first one, unusually cheerful.
It means happier than usual in a noticeable way.
Now let's take an example out of it. She seemed unusually cheerful this morning, even though she had a stressful week. 2. Burn the midnight oil.
It is an idiom meaning to work very late at night, usually on something important.
Ram had to burn the midnight oil to secure good marks in his examinations. Third, I admire your persistence.
The meaning of which is an advanced way of saying, I respect your determination. It is quite formal word.
Let's look at a sentence. Even though the project had so many obstacles and setbacks, I admire your persistence, Sheetal, in not giving up. And the last one, the efforts paid off.
It means the hard work brought good results.
Let's look at the sentence. She studied hard for months, and at the end, the efforts paid off when she topped the exam. Follow, like, and share and subscribe to know more and improve your English communication skills. Thank you so much for being with us. Have a great day.